Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome, and today we are going to do unboxing of this Fast and Furious Brian's Toyota Supra, and let's get into it, guys. Look at that. This Brian, aka Paul Walker, Brian O'Connor from Fast and Furious. Okay, let's unscrew this Fast and Furious car. And on the camera we have Luza, my cousin brother. Right, it's in Luz. Oh my god, Brian Supra is Luz. And we have openable doors and openable trunk with NOS bottles. Nice. And we think we have openable hood also. Paul Walker. Right. Unscrewing the base of Brian O'Connor's action figure, I think. Paul Walker is loose. And there we go. Paul Walker action figure. His base plate. So, and there we go, Paul Walker and Paul Walker. I mean to say, my cousin just reminded me we can attach the roof of this car. And there we go. There we go. Looks nice. That was the Fast and Furious unboxing of the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra of Brian O'Connor, aka Paul Walker.